Sitting by myself and wondering why the only bliss I feel is from the things that aren't real. I want to know if I was given the chance to change it all, would I give in or would I fall? But now I'm submerged in it all. Everywhere I look, I'm surrounded by my faults. I wish, put it all on pause. Wait a minute till the storm comes down. I wish I could be happy from the little things I see, but I'm constantly reminded of the things I couldn't be. And I know before I get away, there's still a lot that's left to say. But now I'm submerged in it all. Everywhere I look, I'm surrounded by my faults. I wish could put it all on pause. Wait a minute till the storm comes down. And I know I've come a long way, and I'm better with myself, but there's still that nagging feeling I belong to someone else. I don't know if I'll be happy, but I'm better off alone. I know everything is simpler when I do it on my own. And I'm sorry if